Alright, yo, I haven't filmed a video in like, it's been a fat minute, but, well, I've been working on a video, but it's just, I'm waiting for stuff to finish it, so, yeah, but, today, we're about to change the exhaust setup on the drift truck, or at least try to just run full straight to the, or well, not full straight, but straight to the back. I'm still keeping the cherry bomb on, so it'll be a straight to the back for right now, and then I want to do bozo tips, and I'm waiting for some other things for the Ranger too. I got a steering wheel for it, cause you know, drift truck, but I'm waiting for the hub. That should be here next Friday, so yeah, I'm about to go see what I gotta do to this exhaust to get it done. Alright, so we're gonna step outside. I'm gonna get an exhaust clip of the old exhaust, and then we're gonna start working on the new stuff, which is already chilling down there, so sorry, I don't know what's on my damn lens. I don't know. I'm just gonna get the plug. Alright, so that's the old exhaust. I'm about to get cracking on the new exhaust. Alright, so I was missing some stuff, but now I got everything. And I even got this big butthurt tip. Connor's driving up the road right now. You can hear his sob. But yeah, I'm about to bust out the welder. We'll weld it. Here comes Connor. Little stank head and his sob. Hell yeah. Alright, we're gonna pull out the welder, get to busting on this. Alright, so I got it all like welded up here into the back. I got a couple leaks that I gotta fix, but it's going to the back. And you know, Connor's here. My friend's here also. Chad! Yeah, that's Chad. But no, so we literally just gotta I'm just gonna patch up them couple leaks, and then we just gotta finish up the rest that comes back here to the tip, and it'll be mint. Oh fuck. Oh my god! it's charring. Alright, I'm not even gonna film it because I gotta do this under, and this like actually sucks. Alright, so finish the exhaust. We got this redonkulous ass tip coming out of here, bro. This is nuts. Alright, so we're about to hit it with the first start exhaust clip. Oh, with the done exhaust. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go give it a ramp or two. we're gonna film more. I'm just not trying to rev it too much at my house. I'm about to clean up and we'll go for a cruise. Alright, I really hope that my camera doesn't die, but I'm just here to say that this new exhaust is dope. Like, you might be able to tell from my voice, like, I am so excited, dude. This shit sounds fire, dude. The crackles are nuts. Ready? I mean, I don't know how like intense the crackle sound on the camera, but dude, like this shit's actually nuts. Like it's loud as hell. It's not loud in the cab, what I wanted, but it's when you have the windows open, this bitch is blaring. I only have the rear window open too, but I'm driving home right now. So this is the end of this video, so I mean, there will be more videos. Tomorrow I gotta fix, like I gotta put some more hangers on there because the exhaust hangers broke, but I'm not trying to do that tonight, so yeah. Deuces.